In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Binance account. First, open the Binance app or go to the official Binance website. On the login screen, enter the email address or phone number connected to your Binance account. Make sure you are using the same login method you used when you created the account. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password or Reset Password. Binance will ask you to enter your email address or phone number. After that, tap Next and complete the security check if it appears on the screen. Binance will then send you a verification code by email or SMS. Enter the code carefully, then create a new password for your account. Choose a strong password that you have not used before. A good password should include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After setting your new password, try logging in again. In some cases, Binance may temporarily restrict withdrawals after a password reset for security reasons. This is normal and helps protect your account. If you no longer have access to your email address, phone number, or authenticator app, look for an option like security verification, unavailable, or lost access to verification method. Tap that option and follow the steps to recover access. Binance may ask you to verify your identity again. This can include uploading an identity document, completing face verification, or answering questions about your account activity. Follow the instructions carefully and make sure the information you provide matches your Binance account details. If your account was locked, disabled, or restricted, go to the Binance Support Center and start a support request. Explain the issue clearly, such as whether you lost access, changed your phone number, forgot your password, or suspect unauthorized activity. If you think someone else accessed your account, change your password immediately, secure your email account, and contact Binance support. Also check your recent login history and remove any devices you do not recognize. Once your account is recovered, update your security settings. Enable two-factor authentication, use an authenticator app if available, add anti-phishing code, and avoid sharing your login details with anyone. And that's how you recover your Binance account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.